Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
So Britt, today we are nestled right between 30A and Pier Park on the west end of Panama City Beach.
One of my favorite places.
Yes, I love it because the traffic is so much quieter. You're not in the middle of tourist corridor, as I call it. And so you've got a little less traffic, but you've still got, if you want vacation rental or to live here full time. I can't wait to show this.
These are the perfect beach spots. Let's go check it out.
Yep.
So we're over here in this cute little beach getaway in Laguna Beach. And I love that the kitchen overlooks the peaceful backyard with that beautiful swimming pool. So you've got the nice natural light coming in and just those great beach dreams to think about while you're having your morning coffee. You've got a little bit of a center island in this kitchen, just enough space, plenty of cabinetry. As we go into the living area, you're gonna enjoy lots of natural light coming in from those front windows. You've got a heightened ceiling that makes the room feel more spacious. And that LVP continues throughout, so you don't have to worry about any sand in the carpet when you come back from the beach. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this place.
Hey, so welcome into this main ensuite. It's so large. Just as Britt was sharing in the living space, you've got these vaulted ceilings. That is echoed in this room as well, just allowing it to be more airy and open and spacious. And as I mentioned, it's the ensuite. You've got plenty of countertop space here, as well as your soaker tub and a shower for two. This is a 3-bed, 2-bath, and these rooms are plenty spacious for all of your beach needs.
Loving this outdoor space over at this adorable little home at Laguna Beach. You've got a fenced-in yard, little back patio, this gorgeous pool to relax, and you've even got additional storage outside of the pool.
Yes, I love it. This is perfect. If you would like more information, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you to get all the finer details and the points about this home.
Thanks, Heather. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.